In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with booking.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to booking.com. And now once you're here, we want to, on the top of the page, we got register or sign in. Go ahead and click onto register. And then it will say sign in or create an account. So you can sign in using your booking.com account to access our services. So to create a new account, what you can do is just jot down your email address here. Or you can create a new account with your Google account, Apple or Facebook account. So for this demonstration, I want to create an account with my Google account. So a little pop-up will appear. And what it basically does, it just signs you in at the same time. So just like that, it signed me with my Google account, create a new account at the same time. And then once that has happened, you'll be redirected back to booking.com. And on the top of the page, it will say your name. So if I go and click into my account, you can see that's me there.